Hello everyone. This is a very simple task where we will be creating multiple charts, and the charts creation part is almost completed by me. Only thing is color combinations you have to verify. See, might be the color combinations that I have used in the graphs might be slightly different. Maybe mostly I have created default values so that the person who is working on the chart can modify it according to their style, which helps us to create a unique kind of chart. Okay, so for that reason, I have kept it like that. And second thing is there are very few questions. Like if you check the document in the early graphs, there are some questions that were asked like this. Okay, so for these questions, you are supposed to address only three or two to three questions, just like that. And only we have very few questions that has to be addressed. The remaining all are only charts. Hardly I can see I marked them as green. So one question, second question, and three and four. Total four question, five questions we are having. So these four questions has to be addressed. That's it. After that, the main changes that you have to make in addition to the addressing the question is cross-checking the color combination of graphs that I have created and graphs that are mentioned in the Word document. Say for example, this is the graph that is asked for, and I have created exact graph, but the color combination might be different. Okay, so you can check like it's mostly resembling the required color combination, and below graphs are also almost same, but here if you check data label values are different. So text options and color should be black. So like this. So it's a small difference. Remaining all will be fine. Only this section might be different. So like this, you are supposed to cross check and make modifications. So for example, the second graph, the first graph is in this color and the second graph is like that. And I have made enough changes. If you don't think like this color exactly matches with it, just go to format, sorry, just right click, select fill and use different color. Okay, so whatever the color you feel is optimal, you just apply that. So if you check this one, we are having a graph that is very dark here and very light here, and this can be made a darker color. So fill some darker color. No, it's not working. So we are supposed to select some color like this. Okay, so it exactly matches with the requirement. And here, so this kind of changes, only color related changes has to be done. So this is the graph, and we can see that this is very lighter and this is very darker. So select one option and go with the lighter color like this. Then next color, right click, fill, and maybe some sort of lighter color. And the final one should be selected, right click, and like this maybe. So you can update it like that. Okay. So only color combinations should be identified in all these graphs. So because I have completed everything, only thing very in I guess in only very few graphs you need to make color changes also. Mostly all the graphs are perfect, and they definitely helps you with completing it. So one radar chart graph is left for you people to work. So in this, there is a radar chart option. You try to work on second graph. First graph is done by me. So this task is done by me. First task, you try to work on second task. How it works, you just cross check. Okay. So you try to make enough modifications and work on it. It's up to you, like it will be helping you to complete it. All right. So the three important parts you will be doing is first one is addressing the green marked questions. Second one is changing colors in the graph. And third one is working on radar graph. So after completing all three tasks, please submit it. That's it from my side. Help yourself. All the best. If any questions, please call me or Aditya. That will be helping. Thank you.